Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the front-facing webcam cable for later replacement. Disconnect the front-facing webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the front-facing webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the location of the rubber microphone cover for later replacement. Remove the rubber microphone cover from the adhesive that secures it to the front-facing webcam and display enclosure. Remove the front-facing webcam from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Replacement. Place the front-facing webcam onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into position. Place the rubber microphone cover over the microphone and on the front-facing webcam and gently apply pressure to adhere it into position. Route the front-facing webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Connect the front-facing webcam cable into its connector on the system board.